You may have seen this video. This makes you go viral on YouTube with Evan Carmichael and Sean from Think Media. He says that in order to go viral, you need to have 70% audience retention within 1 minute of your YouTube video. Let's see if they're right, so that you can determine if you want to apply this to your YouTube channel or not. I'm going to show you across several niches here to give you a really good idea if they're right. Here's my Meditate Daily with Andrea Jean at 6,000 subscribers. Here's one of my higher viewed videos at 122 views. Let's just scroll down here to the audience retention. Moving along here, we're at about 1 minute right here, and we have 69% audience retention. So according to this video should be going viral. Not so much at this point. Let's look at this one, published on May 18th at 242 views. Another one of my higher viewed video, which is crazy to say. Scrolling on down, you can see this video has 152 more views than typical for this. Let's see at 1 minute mark, is it at 70%? Oh my goodness, it's at 76%. But this video definitely is not going viral at 242 views. All right, guys, what are you talking about? Let's check one more. How about on this YouTube how-to guide channel? Let's look for videos over 100,000 views. All right, views on this one over 500,000 views. Let's check the analytics. Holy buckets, look at the curve on this one. Let's go to the 1 minute mark. 1 minute, we're back here. All right, 55%, yet I would consider this video almost viral at over 500,000 views. Published in about the beginning of December, and it looks like slow curve up here, couple months, and now way over here, about 3 months later. Thumbs up if you're following me right here. This one over 200,000 views, almost 300,000 views. Okay, here at about 1 minute, 58%. Let's check the timeline on this video. So published in December, and about April, it started to pick up. It's looking a little better. Let's look at my highest viewed videos on Andrea Jean cleaning with almost 460,000 subscribers. We have this one, put a dishwasher tab in your toilet, with 5.8 million views. At about the 1 minute mark, we have 60% audience retention. Let's look at the curve on this one, published in about February, and it started to pick up around July. How about this one right here, put vinegar in your toilet, at 3.9 million views. At about the 1 minute mark, we have 65% audience retention. Look at the curve on this baby, published in the beginning of April, and whoa, big pickup about end of July. So there's some truth to this. So what gives? What's the secret? Yes, I agree that having 70% audience retention within 1 minute of your YouTube video will definitely help your video go viral. But what about on my meditation channel where those videos had not gone viral? Two things to take in consideration. Time. All of these videos you can see took about 3 months. I like to call it 3-month magic. And if you are a smaller YouTube channel, this time frame could take a bit longer. On my cleaning channel, I had about 15,000 subscribers when those 2 videos started to take off. On my meditation channel, I only have 6,000 subscribers. So this 3-month magic could actually double to 6 months. Also, the demand for meditation content is lower than cleaning hack content. So it depends upon your niche and the amount of demand. So if you hit that 70% mark and you are patient, persistent, and consistent with your YouTube efforts and do not quit like the majority of people, then yes, you will see some viral videos on your YouTube channel. And my friend, all it takes is just one video to blow your channel up and have that snowball effect. If you want to find the best way to locate your niche within YouTube, click this video right here and on screen now and in the description box below. And I have an entire playlist for you about how to get started on YouTube. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.